Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Dingie gonna hell. Dingie not they know we are no throne. I know some people gonna heaven. I'm saying to us, we have to know where we are do and say. People need to repent. Dingie never repent. Dingie gonna hell head where. And at that me ball for.
A few moments later.
Yeah, guys, see Dingie there. Me find Dingie. See Dingie there. Dingie. You're the hell.
Dingie, me can't believe you're gonna hell. I first marry where we know we're actually gonna hell. We don't know you like know you. we don't really know you, but we know. See you gonna hell. Dingie, everybody went in Ghana one better place. No matter what they do for earth.
If I one thing me sure about in this world, I'm not sure about nothing else, but I'm sure about this in this world here, so I can put my head on it. I say being in there heaven. I know if you fuck, say being in there heaven.
So, let me compose myself. The two sisters them got to talk. And the two sisters them say, Dingie gonna hell. I, the people, everybody would like to know. Dingie, what did you do? Sir, what did you do? Not one, but your two sisters them say. No, come.
Nobody can tell me say, I know promise Dingie promise that woman there's some money and I give him. Your woman said Dingie me know hell you got. Me know I promise Dingie promise him some money and I give him. That's why I come to church go and bring down Dingie, you know.
Dingie no gonna even. I make Jamaica don't take that serious. Oh, you know where Dingie gone? Oh God. No, sir. I say me never see sitting for this over.
No, brother Dingie would have like to know where you do so. That's you gone viral over TikTok. You gonna hell headwear. What in life could you do so that you're not even good on footwear? A headwear you gonna hell.